Hey there guys, how are you all doing? This is Chris from KKCA and today we are back with another template just for you guys. This is template number 7 from our series of free Steam artwork templates. So, by clicking the download link in the description, you will receive this zip file which contains a readme file and a file to the project of the template. So, all you need to do is click here, right click, and then extract file here. After that, just double click on the file and this will open up. So what you need to do here to edit it to your own name and background, you just need to click this edit text here and just double click on this and just write anything you want. You have the align tool down here. If not, just click on window and find it. Where is it? It's the first one. Okay, click that, and if it shows a check mark, you receive it right here. So just click this and maybe click this if you want, but I'm not gonna do that because I want the text on the top. So you see the text changed. Alright, so if you wanna change the text color or anything else, just double click this, go to the first one and click this color. So maybe let's say, I don't know, red. You see it changed to red. So to change the other one, click the same one and just choose another color of red. I mean, if you want, you can do the same, but it's up to you. So you see now it looks like this. If you want to also change the font, just click here and choose anything you like. For example, this, but that doesn't fit. Neither does this, but it is what it is. Okay, so let me just change it back. Okay, so if you want to change the color of the particles, just double click on this, click on the first one, click on particles and choose the bird color. This is the first color that pops up, and just choose another color as I did, and choose another color here also. I don't want to change them, that's why. So do the same for the other one. Click on particles, choose a color and the other one, and that's all. And if you want to change your background, just click import, file, select both of them and just disable these ones or just make them not visible. If you want, delete them or you want, because you won't have them probably, and just drag this one here. You see how it aligns? And then drag and drop. That's all you have to do. And don't forget to click on both of them and drag them to the bottom of the composition. Yeah, that's all. After that, you just need to go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue, click on Useless, set this from AVI to PNG sequence, and just choose where you want to extract it. And just click the render button. Yeah, and I'm not gonna render it because I already have it. Alright, so I'll see you in Photoshop in a minute. Okay, I'm back in Photoshop. So what you need to do is click on File, Open, and click the first image. Select Image Sequence, check mark it, and then just click on OK. This will take a minute. Okay, so this sometimes takes a minute, sometimes it doesn't. So anyway, so now what we need to do is go to File, New, and then click on Custom. I mean, it will be already chosen, and do like 506 by 808. Click Create. Do that again, and instead of 506, now do 100, and just click Create. So the next thing you need to do is drag this right here. Wait, let me minimize this and position it like this. You see the pink arrows, lines, whatever you wanna call them, they need to be like this. And then if you have it set up, just click on Create Video Template right down here. If you don't have it, go to window and it should be called timeline. Just checkmark that. Click this, go to export, save web legacy, and just copy my settings. GIF, selective, pattern, colors 256, and wait for this to load. So once it's loaded, just click on once, select forever, save. I don't want to save it because I have it, and that's all. Do the same one for the other one, just drag and drop. Let me minimize this. So for the other one, just do the same, drag and drop, drag it, but this time just select the other side and click create video timeline, go to export, same settings, and that's all. Okay, after you've done all of that, just go to your Steam profile and go to artworks, click on upload a artwork, click on not a specific game, just choose file, for example this one, and just write something, artwork. After that, copy the script that's in the description, or maybe I'll put a link to the guide, I don't know, I'll see. And after you've copied the script, just go back to the previous tab, click on this side or on this side, see the blank side which is like grayish, click on that one, click inspect element, go to console and just paste this and click enter. That's all you have to do. If you want to type something here, just do that and just checkmark this, I certify that I created this artwork, and click save and continue. That's all you need to know. So after uploading the artwork, just go to your profile, click on edit profile, search for featured showcase, click on this little box and find artwork showcase. So after you uploaded your artwork, just go to your profile, click on edit profile, scroll down, search for featured showcase, click on this little box, find artwork showcase, and then just you see a big box and small boxes. Click on the first one, select either one of these lines, it will show up like this. This is not a proper uploaded artwork, that's why it doesn't show like a line. You see, I'll show you now, just for example, if it even, yeah, you see, if you don't use the script, this will happen. So yeah, just use the script, and that's all you need to know. Just save them. Okay guys, so thanks for watching, I hope you have a nice day, and peace.